Hello, welcome, and I hope you have seen the previous sessions. Okay, today we are going to learn the number system. So today we are going to learn number system in Python. So what is a number system and how to use them, that we are going to study today. Okay, the first is we will understand how the characters are stored, how the characters are transmitted from one place to another place. Okay, so let's say in this cases I am going to say here A. I am going to type A in my keyboard. When I type A in the keyboard, the A is appearing on the screen, correct? How the A appeared on the screen? Did the A travel from the keyboard to the monitor? Can the A can go directly? No, it is not possible. Now, what is that in this case is what they have done it for you. For every character in your keyboard, they have given a unique value. In C++, we call as an ASCII value. Here we are going to call Unicode. So what is the difference? We'll see. Okay, whether it's ASCII or Unicode. Now when I press A, what has happened? This A is been assigned a number 65. The A is been assigned a number in whether it's a Unicode or ASCII. They have assigned a number what 65 to it. The 65 is going to be converted into a binary form. It's going to be converted into a binary form. Now what is binary form? 1 and 0. So how to get the binary form of 65? Let's say in this case 65. If you want the binary form, you divide by 2. You get what in this case is 3, 2 and the remainder is 1. This is 1, 6. Remainder is what? 0. This is 8, 0, 4, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So what is going to happen right now when you press 65, you know this machine, a machine can understand only what the power supply. It can apply only, you can understand only whether you send power or don't send a power. Okay, so this is called on or off. Okay, in this case, what is going to happen? This signals 1 means on, 0 means off. This is going to be going into the network. So this is a signals the power. 1 means it will on, that 0 means it will off. So this is the value which is going to go from in my machine, is going to travel and is going to come to the monitor. When it comes to the monitor, the binary form again converted back to the character form. This is what is going to happen. Okay, so the whether it's an ASCII value or Unicode, it remains the same. It remains what the same here. Okay, now, but then what is the difference between ASCII and Unicode? The ASCII value is going to range from 0 to 127. For the Unicode is going to range from 0 to 65535. Well, what is the difference here? In the ASCII value, we have only alphabets, the English alphabets, and the digits and the special characters. Whereas in the Unicode, we can write all the universal characters. That means every language has its own, what in this case here, character. The characters can be displayed in what in this Unicode. Okay, Python uses a Unicode. C++ uses what? ASCII. C uses what? An ASCII. But remember, for alphabets and digits and what the special character, the ASCII value and Unicode value is what? Same. That means the ASCII value of capital A is 65 in ASCII, Unicode also 65. ASCII value of small a is what? 97. Unicode is also what? 97. When you press 0, it sends 48. Whether it's ASCII or Unicode sends what? 48. Every character in your keyboard as a ASCII. Okay, remember that. Yeah. Now let's talk about the next is here in this cases. I want right now in this cases want to know what is how to get the ASCII or how to get the Unicode. Okay, let's see here in these cases. So let's say I have written here right now in this case x is equal to 65. So if I say print x, what is going to print for me? Is going to print what? 65 for me, right? Okay, it's going to print 65. Now the 65 is an ASCII value or Unicode value for capital A. So what to do in this case is you can say here y is equal to CHR of x. You write CHR of x, you can print y. See what is happening here. I get right now A. That means if you have an ASCII, if you have a Unicode, if you want to display the corresponding character, use CHR. Okay. Now, sir, I have a character. Okay, let's say in this case is let's say P is equal to, I put here character, how to write a character at A. I write A. Now I'm going to say here in this case print, I'm going to say here P. What is happening? Let's see. I get what? A. Okay. Now I want the corresponding what? The Unicode for it. Okay, if you want the corresponding Unicode for it, Q is equal to, you can write ORD of what? P. ORD will convert the ASCII into what? Into an Unicode. Print, I can write here in this case Q, I get what in this case. Yeah. So remember, to Unicode to character CHR, from character to Unicode is what? ORD. Okay. For any character you can put it, right? Like let's say in this case is, even when you press 0, 0 does not go. The corresponding 48 goes here. Okay. If you put 48, I run the code, I get right now 48 and 0. 48 and what? 0 I get. Okay. The unique code of 0 is what? 48. Remember that. Yeah. Okay. So now let's go to the other number system. We'll see what are the number system we are using. So in your if you must be aware of this. Okay. Numbers can be written in 4 ways we can write. Which are the 4 ways? One is C. One is called binary number system. Second is called octal number system. Third is called decimal number system. Fourth is called hexadecimal number system. In binary number system, to represent a value, we will use only 2 digits, 0 and 1. In octal number system, to represent a value, we will use 8 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3 till 7. Totally 8 digits. In decimal number system, to represent a value, we will use 10 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3 till 7, 8 and 9. In hexadecimal number system, we have used 16, 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. 10 will be represented by A, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 0 to 15 is what? 16 digits. Now, when I write here right now, if I say here right now in these places, let's say I have put right now in this case is 75. Which number system by default I am using? By default, we use decimal number system. In octal number system, you can't use more than 7, remember. Now, how to convert this decimal into what? Into a binary. So, what you do? Divide by 2. If I divide by 2, how much it becomes what in this case? 3, 7 and the remainder is what? 1. Now, here what will happen? Again divide by 2. How much will become? 1, 8. Remainder is what? 1. Again divide by 2. What will get? 9, 0. 4, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Right. It will become, what is going to become? 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. The base is what? You write base is 2. See, you write like this. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now, if you have a number 75, I wanted to get it in what? In octal. What you should do? Divide this by 8. If I divide this by 8, what will become here? In this case is 9 8s are 72. Remaining is what? 3. Right? Divide by 8. 1. Remainder is 1. Divide by 8. 0 and 1. Remainder is 1. 1, 1, 3. The base is what? 8. You have a binary, you have a decimal. If you want to convert it to hexadecimal, what you need to do? Divide by 16. What will be? 4. Remainder is how much I'll get what in this case is what? I'll get what? 11. 11 means I'll get what? 11 is what? B. And 0, 4. Therefore, it will be 4B. And the base is what? 16. Okay. So, this is a way that we will convert this into. Okay. So, let's see here in this case is I want to convert it. Okay. If you want to convert this, what I'm supposed to do? Okay. I'm supposed to say here, I'm going to make code. So, I have, let's say X is what? 75. Now, if you want this number, by default, when you print, what format is going to get what? You're going to get what? In the decimal form. You'll get in the decimal form only. If you want the binary, what do you do? Bin of y is equal to bin binary of x. You will get print y. You will get the binary form. Remember here, what is coming? By default, 0b comes in the beginning. 0b, that means in order to represent the binary number, we will use starts with what? 0b. If you want an octal number, what do you need to do? Z is equal to OCT of x. Print, I am going to get z. What does it come here? Octal number is what? 0, 1, 1, 3. See, to represent the octal value, they use 0 and O. Okay, to binary they use 0 and what? B. Okay, because by default if I write here 113, if I write by default 113, what will become here? This will become what? It will become an decimal value. Okay, so I'm going to come back to you on the same. Okay, 75. Now if you want the hexadecimal for it, what you should do in this case is, I'm going to say here in this case h is equal to hexa what? Print. I'm going to say here in this case is h. I should get what? Hexadecimal of this. How much it was? 4b. The b is in lowercase, right? You can put in lowercase or in uppercase. Okay. Now, sir, I have been given the binary, but how to get it what? The decimal form. Simple thing. Okay. You can write like this. Okay. I'm going to say here in this case, let's say b is equal to binary is equal to, I'm going to write the same thing. 0b 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0b 1 0 0 1 0 1 1, right? I'm going to say print b. What is happening? The last output C is being 75. Okay, you wrote in binary, it will be stored in binary only, but it will display in what? It will display in the decimal form. So if you have an octal, I can write like this. O is equal to, octal is equal to what I say? Octal is variable name O I kept. You don't need to get stuck to this. Okay, 0. If anything starts with 0 O, it is considered as what? Octal. 113. If I write like this, print, I am going to say here O. What is the output I am going to get? I am going to get what? 75. Same. Okay now. So if anything, any constant that begins with 0 O, it's considered as what? As an octal. Remember. Okay. If I say h is equal to, hexadecimal is equal to, I write here 0x. If anything begins with 0x is a hexadecimal, what I'm going to write, what in this case 4b, right? I'm going to write in uppercase. 4b, I'm going to print h. What I should get what? 75. Okay. Therefore, now you can write a value in 4 forms, either in decimal, binary, octal or hexadecimal. But your display will be in what? In which format it will be displayed what? It will be displayed in, by default it display in which form what? It will display in the decimal form. Okay. But if you convert it into binary, yeah, binary displays. Octal, it displays in the octal form. Okay. Remember that. Yeah. Okay. Now, how, when I put 113, how it is getting converted back to what? A decimal. Okay. Let's go back to this. Let's understand. It is written like this. Okay, we wrote like this. Let's say binary. Okay, I have been given a binary number like this. B is equal to 0b. Let's say 1 0 1 1 0 1. Let's say this is a binary number is given. What is the answer I should get? What is the answer I'm supposed to get? See, if you want the answer, what you do? Simple thing, you need to do this. You need to do right now. This is, you need to convert this. Okay, this is, you need to multiply this by 2 raised to 0. This is by 2 raised to 1. This is 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 0 into 1 is what? 1 plus 0 plus 2 raised to this 2 into what? This is 4 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 raised to 5 is what? 32. How much will become? 32 plus 8 is what? 40, 44, 45. This is a, if you print it, you will get what? 45. So you have a octal number. How it is giving the value? Okay, let's say in this case, octal O is equal to, I have written like this. Let's say it's in like O is equal to, I want to say here right now, 0O113. Right? Here's an example. What you need to do if you want the decimal value, you need to multiply by 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2. 8 raised to 0 into 3 is what? 8 raised to 0 is what? 1. Okay, 1 into 3 is 3, plus 8 raised to 1 is what? 8, plus 8 raised to 2 is what? 64 into 1 is what? 64. So how much is what? 72 plus 3 is what? 70. Now, hexadecimal we saw. If you write anything starts with 0x, we wrote like this, h is equal to 0x what? 0x what? 4b. Correct now? This is what we wrote. If I write this is will be what? 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1. 16 raised to 0 is 1. 1 into b. b is how much it is? 11 plus. 4 16s are how much it is what? 64. How much will become 64 plus 11 is what? 75. This is what we got. See, this is 4, 64, 16 into 4 is what? Okay. Yeah, this is the way the answer we got. Okay, I hope that you have understood this. Okay, so for your practice, what you can do in this case is you can solve these problems. Okay, take your notebook and try to convert this into binary, octal, and hexadecimal, and verify with the function. Okay, so if we, let's say, take 112, my x is 112. By default, when you write anything, it is a decimal value. Convert this into binary, octal, and hexadecimal, and then convert back and see. Yeah.